Hello, teacher. Let us give you a warning reading. So we're gonna talk about syllabus designs, and my group is conformed by Gabriela Espinosa, Marvin Ortiz, and Michelle Polo. This document is from INEM Santa Marta. Let's go.
Okay. The first question is is a, is this a product oriented or document oriented? Product oriented or process oriented? Sorry. So the next, Michelle, please. This syllabus is a product oriented because emphasizes what the student should achieve by the end of the course, setting clear goals and evaluation aligned with those learning and outcomes. For example, the next, please. Um, in this part has a learning goals. For example, say hello and goodbye in English. So learn, the other is a learn and have fun while studying a new vocabulary. And the other example is a performance indicator. So I can orally identity of the phrase in English to express I'm preferring I understand grading and file ways in English. I learned to grade my friends and new friends informally. So the next question is the next, please, Michelle. So what is the type of the syllabus or organization of the content in the document? So in this document, the syllabus organizes the content based on grammar and the structure and the vocabulary. So this syllabus is the progressively increasing and the complexity. So each unit contain the focus on basic vocabularies and grammar pattern characteristics of the structural approach. For example, the programmatic contents and the gradings and the presentation and vocabulary. For example, along, grady, hello, and what is your name. This is the vocabulary the student used in this part. The next, Michelle, please. And the other example is in this part, the grammar structure. For example, my name this is my friends, this is my mother, this is my friends. The next, please.
Well, in this document, we can identify Boni Bonita is a book from the Ministry of Education, and in this book, the main objective is develop the vocabulary. Is focused on vocabulary development and communicative function, and for that reason, we can infer that is probably that we can use at the same time and functional syllabus, but we couldn't notice this in the learning goals. And this is an example: greeting from Boni Bonita, greeting by Boni Bonita. Boni Bonita means classmate. Is the different captures, the different steps or order of captures that the book has. If according to Ravini, syllabus is an expression of an opinion, what opinion we can draw in this document? Okay, in this document we can notice that the teacher said that the language, the teacher see the language as a functional view because the learning is based in practical vocabulary and prioritize practical language use in daily contents. For example, when go time to go home, Boni Bonita, or Boni Bonita means a carver. In this context, the student going to use a pattern of grammar or the different vocabulary and emphasize basic interaction when the student participate in short conversation and ask questions or given different answer.
The next question is, does document have all the elements described in class? Plan de aula, including essential syllabus elements like learning goals, performance indicator, teaching strategies, resources, and evaluation criteria. However, it's like a deep analysis of the student's need and detailed context for applying these competencies, which are often present in more communicative or text-based syllabus.
Okay, and finally,
Oh,
which method?
so 1 second, we noticed something in this document. There is not a previous study from the needs or from age to do the goals and prepare all the teacher teach to the students. Continue.
Well, the last one is which method or approach does this course align with? We can identify some characteristics that align with the communicative approach because use a practical use of language, learning through meaningful interaction when in the methodology strategies the teacher mentioned that the students have an active role participating during the class in short conversation, flexibility in grammar learning because one of the methodology strategies says that the student can include a new word in the vocabulary and create a new phrase or a new pattern of grammar. And that's all. Thank you.